Hey everyone, welcome back to the Travel Partner YouTube channel. I'm Sarah, and today I'll show you how to have an unforgettable adventure in Tbilisi, Georgia, without breaking the bank. 3 full days, exploring everything from ancient streets to vibrant nightlife, all for just $120. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a couple, or just dreaming of your next trip, this video is packed with tips to make your money stretch in one of Europe's most charming cities. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our travel community. Grab your notepad and get ready to dive into the ultimate Tbilisi budget itinerary. Let's see how much magic you can experience in Georgia's capital without emptying your wallet. Let's kick off our Tbilisi adventure in the heart of the city, Old Tbilisi, where every corner tells a story and every street feels like a step back in time. This area is packed with colorful wooden balconies, winding cobblestone streets, quirky little shops, and centuries-old history that you can feel in the air. Exploring Old Tbilisi on foot is totally free. You'll find that the best way to experience the city's charm is simply to wander and let your curiosity lead the way. Start with a self-guided walking tour, winding through charming alleyways and soaking in pastel facades. Each turn reveals hidden courtyards, tiny art galleries, and cozy cafes tucked away from the main roads. Download a free walking map or just let yourself get a little lost. It's half the fun. Sometimes, the most memorable discoveries happen when you're not following a plan. Make your way to Matiki Church, perched above the Tbilisi River. It's free to enter and offers sweeping city views. The church itself is a peaceful spot to pause and take in the city's skyline. Stroll over the famous Bridge of Peace, a futuristic pedestrian bridge that lights up at night. Its glass and steel design is a striking contrast to the old city, and it's a favorite spot for photos. For breakfast, grab a hot khachapuri, cheesy bread, from a local bakery for just $150. It's warm, gooey, and the ultimate comfort food to fuel your morning adventures. Try church kila, Georgian sweets made from nuts and grape juice, at any market stall for about $0.80. These colorful treats are not only delicious, but also make for a great snack as you explore. Next, treat yourself to a classic Tbilisi experience, the sulfur baths. These historic bathhouses have been soothing locals and travelers for centuries. Communal baths like Gulo's Thermal Spa cost as little as $5. The warm, mineral-rich waters are perfect for relaxing your muscles after a morning of walking. After your bath, climb up to Narikala Fortress, one of Tbilisi's most iconic landmarks. The fortress dates back to the 4th century and offers a glimpse into the city's ancient past. Hike for free or take the cable car from Reich Park for about $1. The ride itself is a fun experience, giving you a bird's-eye view of the city as you ascend. The views from the top are breathtaking, perfect for sunset photos. Watch as the city glows in golden light and the rooftops stretch out below you. For lunch, order a plate of khinkali, Georgia's legendary soup dumplings, for about $2.50. These juicy dumplings are a must-try and are best enjoyed with your hands, just like the locals do. In the afternoon, walk through the Abanotubani district, famous for its domed bathhouses and photo ops. The area is full of vibrant mosaics and unique architecture. Snap a selfie with the colorful Orbiliani bathhouse. It's an Instagram dream. The blue-tiled facade is unlike anything else in the city. Pop into the free open-air gallery along Chardeni Street to admire local art. You'll find paintings, crafts, and maybe even meet the artists themselves. As evening falls, wander down Erekli the 2nd Street, lined with affordable eateries and lively bars. The street comes alive at night, buzzing with music and laughter. Grab a glass of homemade lemonade for $1 while people watching on a terrace. It's the perfect way to relax and soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. For dinner, head to a local canteen, Sakinkel, for a hearty plate of lobio, bean stew, and bread for $3 or $4. This traditional dish is filling, flavorful, and a staple of Georgian comfort food. After dinner, enjoy free live music in bars and on street corners. Tbilisi's music scene is lively and welcoming, with everything from folk tunes to modern jazz echoing through the night. End your day with a slice of honey cake from a bakery for about $1. This sweet treat is the perfect finale to a day of exploring. Day 1 spending. Walking tour, free. Khachapuri and church kela, $2.30. Sulfur bath, $5. Cable car, $1. Lunch, $2.50. Lemonade, $1. Dinner, $4. Dessert, $1. All these experiences add up to an unforgettable day without emptying your wallet. That's about $60 or $80 for a full day of exploring and eating. It's proof that you can enjoy the best of Tbilisi on a budget. Your first day in Tbilisi is packed with adventure, history, and flavor, without breaking the bank. And this is just the beginning of what the city has to offer. Day 2 is all about venturing beyond the city center and discovering Georgia's rich history and stunning landscapes, without spending a fortune. Today, you'll get a taste of local life, explore ancient sites, and sample some of the country's most beloved dishes, all while sticking to a tight budget. Tbilisi's public transport is super affordable. A metro ride costs just $0.30, and buses are even cheaper. The system is easy to navigate, making it perfect for travelers who want to see more for less. Grab a Metro Money card for $1 at any station. This handy card works for both metro and buses, so you can zip around the city and beyond without hassle. Take a budget-friendly day trip to Mtsketa, Georgia's spiritual heart, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This charming town is one of the oldest in the country and is packed with history and culture. It's only a 30-minute ride from Tbilisi, and the Marshrutka fare is about $0.60 each way. The journey itself is scenic, with rolling hills and rivers along the route. Once you arrive, Mtsketa's old town is perfect for wandering. Stroll along cobblestone streets lined with quaint shops, local bakeries, and friendly vendors. Visit the majestic Svetitskhovli Cathedral. Entry is free. This ancient church is a masterpiece of Georgian architecture and a must-see for history lovers. Don't miss Javari Monastery on the hilltop nearby. The panoramic views over the confluence of the Aragvi and Mutvari rivers are breathtaking, especially at sunset. Share a taxi up for about $2–3 round trip. It's a quick ride, and you'll often meet other travelers to split the cost with. For lunch, try Badrajani Nigzit, eggplant rolls with walnut paste, for $3. This classic Georgian appetizer is bursting with flavor and is a local favorite. And a glass of homemade lemonade for $1 at a family-run restaurant. These cozy spots offer authentic hospitality and a chance to mingle with locals. If you'd rather stay in Tbilisi, visit the Chronicles of Georgia Monument, free to visit, and take bus number 60 for just $0.30. The monument's towering pillars tell the story of Georgia's past in dramatic style. After your day trip, head back to Tbilisi and explore the Deserter Bazaar. This lively market is a feast for the senses, with colorful produce and the buzz of daily life. Grab fresh fruit and church kela for $1.50 total. Church kela, a traditional Georgian sweet made from nuts and grape juice, is the perfect snack for your walk. For dinner, check out a budget-friendly restaurant like Machakela for a plate of ojakuri, fried potatoes with pork and onions, for about $4. The portions are generous, and the flavors are hearty and comforting. Pop into a bakery for a fresh panchiki, Georgian donut, for just $0.70. These sweet treats are soft, fluffy, and perfect for dessert or a late-night snack. Stroll through Freedom Square at night, beautifully lit and buzzing with locals. The city comes alive after dark with music, laughter, and the glow of streetlights. Today's costs: metro and buses, $1.50, Marshrutka to Mtsketa, $1.20. Add in a few coins for snacks, and you're still well within budget. Shared taxi to Javari, $3, lunch, $4, street snacks, $1.50, and don't forget a little extra for a coffee or tea along the way. Dinner, $4, dessert, $0.70. All in all, you'll eat well and see a lot for less than the price of a single fancy meal elsewhere. That's about $15.90. leaving plenty of room in your $120 budget for tomorrow. You'll have enough left over for souvenirs or a special treat. Day 2 was all about stretching your dollar while soaking up Georgia's history, scenery, and delicious food. Every moment is a new discovery, and every meal is a celebration of Georgian hospitality. Trust me, you won't want to leave. With so much to see, taste, and experience, Georgia will keep calling you back for more adventures. On your final day in Tbilisi, let's dive into the city's vibrant culture, soak up some green spaces, and discover how much you can experience here without breaking the bank. From art and history to parks and nightlife, there's so much to see and do, all on a budget. Start your morning at the Georgian National Museum, a must-visit for anyone curious about Georgia's rich past. Entrance is just $2, and inside you'll find everything from ancient treasures and archaeological finds to fascinating Soviet-era artifacts that tell the story of Tbilisi's unique history. If you're short on cash, stroll along Rustaveli Avenue and explore the free art galleries, perfect for art lovers and window shoppers alike. Next, head to Reich Park for a relaxing stroll or a riverside picnic. This lush green space is totally free and offers beautiful views of the city and the river. For lunch, grab a warm lobiani, delicious bean-filled bread, for just $1.50 from a local bakery or street vendor. Pair it with a cold Matsoni yogurt drink for only $0.80, a refreshing and traditional Georgian treat. After lunch, cross the iconic Bridge of Peace and make your way to the quirky Rizzo Gabriadze Marionette Theater, a true Tbilisi landmark. The whimsical clock tower puts on a charming performance at noon and 7 p.m. Don't miss it. And best of all, it's free. Dive into Tbilisi's creative side at the Fabrika complex, where you'll find vibrant street art, indie galleries, cozy cafes, and colorful graffiti around every corner. Take a break in Dedina Park, a favorite local hangout with shady trees, open-air events, and plenty of space to relax or people watch. As evening falls, get ready to experience Tbilisi's lively nightlife scene, which is both welcoming and affordable. Many bars offer happy hour deals or host free live music nights, so you can enjoy the city's energy without spending much. Treat yourself to a glass of authentic Kvevri wine for just $2 on Erikli 2nd Street, a hotspot for locals and travelers alike. For dinner, seek out a Kinkali house or a traditional Georgian canteen where you'll find hearty, homemade food at great prices. A big plate of mushroom kinkali and a fresh salad costs about $4, making for a filling and authentic meal. If you're up for more, join a hostel event, like a free walking tour, trivia night, or even a group dinner to meet fellow travelers. For dessert, head back to Fabrika for homemade ice cream or a strong Turkish coffee for just $1, perfect for a sweet ending. Before you head home, stop by a local market and pick up a small souvenir. A hand-painted magnet for $2 makes a great keepsake. Today's spending: museum, $2, lunch, $2.30, wine, $2, dinner, $4, dessert, $1, souvenir, $2. That's a full day of adventure for just $13.30. It's amazing how much you can pack into a single day in Tbilisi for less than the price of a movie ticket back home. Culture, food, fun, and memories to last a lifetime. And with that, your 3-day budget adventure in Tbilisi is complete. Thanks for joining. Until next time, happy travels. I hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of Tbilisi on a budget. It's amazing how much magic, history, and flavor you can experience here with just $120. Whether you're soaking in ancient baths, wandering colorful streets, or toasting new friends in a cozy wine bar, Tbilisi proves you don't need a fat wallet for an unforgettable adventure. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest travel tips. Drop your favorite Tbilisi memory or dream destination in the comments below. Your support helps us keep sharing these budget-friendly journeys. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, this is Sarah from Travel Partner, signing off from beautiful Tbilisi.